Hi guys. Welcome once again. Today I am going to show you how validate a JText field that can only typed characters. First of all, please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos. I am using the adding data to JTable interface to show you how validate a text field which can only type numbers. You can watch how program the adding data to JTable from my other videos. I am using txtname to show you this. I am using key typed event to validate the text field. Let's start our coding. All are done. Let's save and run our project. I use on-screen keyboard to explain interface. You can see that we can type only characters in the text field. Our program is running successfully. We cannot find any bugs in this code. You can download this project from the link given below in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and rate a comment on our video.